Hey, welcome to Tubeworks. My name is Kendrick Dish. I'm the founder and CEO, and I'm a YouTube strategist helping companies grow their business using the power of YouTube. Now, it's not as easy. YouTube is not as easy as it once was. There's a lot to it. There's a lot of little details, and we're here to take a lot of that work off your plate. Tubeworks is a membership. You can join the membership right here on our website. And what that allows you to have access to is our community, but more importantly for you, you have access to our service menu at prices that are not available to the general public. And the reason for that is because we are focused on working with businesses that want to grow on YouTube, and that takes time, and it's a commitment. And we don't want to be editing videos at our reduced prices for companies that are only going to make one video. That's not who we're for. We're for companies who want to grow, and that means making a lot of videos. If that sounds like you, then let's get going. If you're already a member, then the way you can access your client portal is you click the login button up here at the top of our website. You'll be taken to a login screen just like this, and you can type in your email address. Once you get that security code, you just drop it in and log in. And you can land on this page. This is a list of the projects, and you're probably only going to have one project with us, but you can click on that project and you're taken to your task board. Now, your task board is going to be your home base of operations, so you can kind of get an understanding of where everything stands as progress goes. This is a Kanban style task board. If you've ever used Trello, it's a little bit like that, but essentially every task that we're working on for you is in one of these columns. When you click on double click on one of these or single click on one of these, you are taken to your task details, and you can leave comments. This should be really heavy on dark letters. Okay, cool. This is talking about a thumbnail. So dark lettering. And you hit submit, and that gives us some feedback about, in fact, we could have a whole conversation here in the comments back and forth about the details of your project. So that's with a project already created, but let's say we need to create a task. So you hit add a card, and depending on what you've purchased from us, these options could look a little different, but let's say you've purchased some video editing or some thumbnail designs. Let's do video editing. Give us a title. So this might be how to grow a large blueberry plant. Okay. So that's the name of the video, and you can put whatever you want here. Host has lots of footage showing bloopers. Please include. Okay, cool. Now we know you like bloopers. We can select the priority. It's a medium priority, and you can upload your video files right here within the platform. And then down here, it's another place you can add stuff like let's have rock and roll music throughout. Okay. So now we have that task in the in queue. So as we work on things, we will have them in the in progress column, and when we have something for you to look at, we'll come in here and we'll upload something for you to look at. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an image. Go ahead and upload that file. So now you can see that file is uploaded to the project. I can close out of that, and now that it's ready for review, I can put it in the needs review column. Now you will get notified that there's something ready for you to review. You can log in and you can check the needs review column and click on the task that needs review, and that's this one, and you can click on the review button. Now you click the review button and you can see that there is a file to look at, and this works with images. It works with videos as well, but we can make a comment and we can say this looks good, but I don't like the knife in the shot. Okay, so if we don't want to see a knife, we can take that out. So we post that, and over here we have a list of feedback. Okay, so let's say you reviewed it and you like it, but it needs a change. You can click Finish Review, and you're prompted either it's approved or it's not approved. And request changes means it's not approved, and you can leave additional comments here, whatever that may be, and you can hit Submit Approval. If it's not done, then it's not done. We would get notified that you finished the review, and we would move it back. Is it this one? Yes, this one. We would move this back into the In Progress column. And then we would go through the process again. Once it's done, once you've approved it, it goes into the Finish column. And you'll be notified that it's been finished. And from there, you can do whatever it is the next step for you. Now, that's the task board, but there are other things that are going on here, such as once that thumbnail is approved, we would mark it as you've used up one of your 3 thumbnail designs that you've paid for. Once you're out of credits here, then you can click this button right here to refill your purchase and get more thumbnail designs or more video edits or more analytics reports or whatever it is that you've already purchased. You can fill up with more of them right here. Now, other features here is a list of files. This is all the files associated with your project available right there. And we can put stuff in folders and keep things organized. Here in the details section, this is where you can see your account details, basically. You can see that you have a Tubeworks membership, and this one has 4 add-ons in the quantity of each. So that tells you how much you have left. If you have brand guidelines, you can upload brand guidelines here, such as logos, fonts, standards, everything that we may need to know as handling part of your company. You can put that right here. Under the services, this is our service catalog where you can go ahead and purchase additional services from us as needed. It's available right then and there. And invoices, if you're on an invoicing system versus a credit card system, this is where you can find your invoices, and we'll take care of that for you. And up at the top of this column is your notifications. You can always log in here and check and see the latest that's going on in your project. So that's a real quick introduction to the back end of how Tubeworks is going to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, or you want a further explanation or a deep dive, or something more, you want to look at the demo itself, we can arrange that. On our website, you can find the schedule a meeting, and we'd be happy to talk with you further. Thanks for watching, and again, we're here for you if you have questions and you're ready to grow your business using the power of YouTube. That's what we're all about. So get in touch, and I look forward to talking with you further. Thank you.